अगर मैं इंटरेस्ट की बात करूँ, एक्साइटेड की बात करूँ, बहुत सारे बच्चे, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट आ जाते हैं सीखने के लिए, लेकिन वो अपने पास इंटरेस्ट और एक्साइट नहीं पैदा कर पाते हैं। अगर आप इंटरेस्ट हो, आपके पास अगर इंटरेस्ट है, इफ यू आर फाउंड ऑफ लर्निंग एनीथिंग, सारी चीज आपके लिए आसान लगेगा। कि हाउ मच आर यू इंटरेस्टेड टू लर्न एनीथिंग। Hi everyone, once again welcome back on my YouTube channel Effective English. Dear audience, today we're gonna discuss, today's panel talk, today's podcast. Really, that's one of the most vital, finest, significant, fabulous, tremendous point is that ki how can we learn English language easily and simply? What kind of strategy plan we should use to learn to start any languages? Just we are going to learn English language in this session. This is English podcast. This is English panel talk. In this session, in this show, in this talk, my dear friends, we gonna share you vital, highly, deeply vital tips and technique which can make more easier our journey of English या any other languages, anything whatever you want to learn. दोस्तों, आज के सेशन में एक ऐसे पॉइंट बिंदु पे हम बात करने जा रहे हैं जो हमारे लिए बहुत ही वाइटल है, बहुत ही जबरदस्त होता है। अगर हम उसको अडॉप्ट कर लें, अगर हम उसको समझ लें, अपने अंदर डाल लें, तो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से किसी चीज को सीखना, समझना और अपने टारगेट तक, अपने डेस्टिनेशन को पूरा करना हमारे लिए आसान हो जाएगा। राइट, सो वन ऑफ द highest, one of the finest right bindu point is that ki whatever things, whatever chapter, whatever language we gonna to learn, how much are we excited to learn those particular language. This is highly deeply right now vital point for everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, dear audience, have you experienced, have you learned many things? So remember my sentence. If you are much more excited, interested to learn any particular point, then you can learn easily and simply that particular point, that particular. Even also you can reach easily to at your destination, your goal. तो आज का जो पॉइंट है दोस्त, क्या इंटरेस्ट है। अगर मैं इंटरेस्ट की बात करूँ, एक्साइटेड की बात करूँ, बहुत सारे बच्चे, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट आ जाते हैं सीखने के लिए, लेकिन वो अपने पास इंटरेस्ट और एक्साइट नहीं पैदा कर पाते हैं। दे couldn't create excitement, interest themselves to learn English language, even also to gain, to acquire any chapter, any question. That's why they feel boring, they feel awkward, they feel uncomfortable in the class, during the classes. This is the first reason. My dear friends, you try to understand कि each and everything can be learned easily by creating interest, excitement, by create happiness, delighted. अगर आप इंटरेस्ट हो, आपके पास अगर इंटरेस्ट है, if you are fond of learning anything, सारी चीज आपके लिए आसान लगेगा। Because if you are interested, really you are making your entire force, energy, skill, talent, real, whatever you have, real, actual, spiritual skill yourself, really you can perform, you can make better by creating interest. तो दोस्त, आपको हमेशा ध्यान देना है, ऑलवेज यू शुड नोटिस दिस पॉइंट, रियली दिस इज more vigorous point in your life कि how much are you interested to learn anything. जब भी आप कोई जर्नी स्टार्ट करो, even you are going to start, you know, to start English journey, you must have excitement, you must be interested yourself. How much are you excited in this class, right? Really, that's so amazing, fantastic, lovely. Because if I talk about the teaching, there are many thousand teachers, they are teaching on YouTube, they are teaching right offline, online classes. Really, that's amazing. I saw most of the teachers, they are using, whenever they are starting their classes, they try to make to the student interested, excited beginning, starting 5 to 10 minutes, they are actually, they are starting their class with some funny sentences, motivational quote, all right, funny stories. Even also we can say that some proverbs, idioms, people, student, teachers, they are using whenever they are going to start their classes. Why? Because they can make more interested this class, even also teaching, even also they can make student excited, enthusiastic. If they are excited, enthusiastic, then to learn, to acquire, to understand any point, everybody they can understand easily, simply. This is the great huge benefit of creating the interest ourselves. My dear friends, remember, if you gonna to learn anything, so without having interest, without having any kind of interest, excitement, any kind of motive, how can you learn? How your performance, how is your effort? No, you never ever you never ever will use your effort, your pain, your energy. No, why? Because you are not excited. Excitement, interest, actually this one is also give you power to use your entire force, entire energy, entire power. If you are excited, then it's mean that really you are working hard, you are using your entire force of your body. Then if you are making effort, your entire effort, then you can learn easily. Most of the students, they miss, they actually fail out. Why? Because they couldn't create interest themselves. That's why they are missing lots of things. If you create interest, so you can learn. Alright, हम तो जबरदस्ती किसी से कोई काम करवा नहीं सकते हैं, लेकिन जबरदस्ती यहाँ करवाने के लिए आपके पास you have only one resources, you have only one vehicle, panacea. My dear friends, sister and brothers, my viewers who are watching this videos, you try to make to the student, to the people, everyone who want to learn, interested, excited, then they can learn easily. Why are we missing? Why are we actually quitting? Why are we right now giving up our chapter classes, many right now job? Why? Because we have not interest. So please, you saw many example I can quote here, I can mention here, all right? Whenever a student, whenever children, they are playing game, they have lots of interest. That's why they are actually playing, they are enjoying, they are winning the game, and also they are diving, they are right now winning the game. Lots of activity they are doing. Sometime we are realizing, feeling ki they are very innocent, small. How are they are using their energy? How much energetic they have? How much energy they are using actually while playing, while hitting, while playing the game? What kind of strategy? How much they are excited? Why? Because only interest make better. Only this is the interest, my dear friends, which make powerful, which give such unbelievable right power to all students, to all children. They start performing, they start right now talking, they start right playing confidently, openly, frankly. They look very frank, they starting working hard. But if you are not interested, you face lots of problem. Why? Because you have not energy. So this is the power of your excitement, your interest. Interest is must to learn anything. Interest is must to gain anything. Interest is must to clear, to click out any examination, anything. Then you can enjoy. You can enjoy. That's clear. So this is the reality ki whatever interest student, children, they are making in the game, same interest, same excitement, if we could create in the study process, even also to learn any languages, to gain, acquire our destination, goal, ambition, definitely 100% I have surety we gonna to crack. All right, very soon, right, instantly, right now we gonna crack our destination, our goal, right? That's simple. That's why more vital, more vital, significant, proficient, right now, interest. दोस्त इंटरेस्ट पैदा कीजिए, दिलचस्पी पैदा कीजिए अपने अपने सब्जेक्ट में, अपनी पढ़ाई में आप दिलचस्पी, इंटरेस्ट और रुचि पैदा कीजिए, वो सारी चीज़ें आपके लिए आसान हो जाएगी। सीखना आपको ऐसा गेम लगेगा, गेम की तरीके से आप सीखना शुरू कर दोगे, इंजॉय करोगे, और जब किसी चीज़ को आप इंटरेस्ट पैदा कर लियो, गेम की तरह आप सीखना शुरू करो, आपकी रुचि, आपकी दिलचस्पी, आपका इंटरेस्ट है, आपकी चाह है, और जबरदस्त ये चाह जो है आपके अंदर कितनी ताकत है, वो सारी ताकत आपको दिखाएगी, शो करोगी। यू विल शावर योर इंटायर एनर्जी, इंटायर फोर्स, वट एवर यू हैव माइंड, स्किल, एवरीथिंग यू स्टार्ट शावरिंग ऑन योर स्किल, ऑन योर वर्क, upon your body language, then automatic you start clearing everything whatever। तो इंटरेस्ट पैदा कीजिए दोस्त, अपने अंदर दिलचस्पी, रुचि पैदा कीजिए। अगर रुचि, इंटरेस्ट आपके अंदर है तो किसी चीज को सीखना बहुत आसान हो जाता है, आपको सारा चैप्टर आसान लगे, क्योंकि आप बहुत मजे में हो कि क्या करोगे, एकदम हिलेरियस मूड में, फनीस्ट वे में क्या करोगे, सीखने जा रहे हो। That's why interest is compulsory, obligatory, mandatory to learn. We have interest, that's why we are recording, we are making videos, we are telling us. People, they are interested, that's why they are doing work. People, they have interest, that's why they are playing game. People, they have interest, that's why they are running behind the government job. People, they are interest, that's why they are earning money. People, they have interest, that's why they are making their effort. Whatever they have energy, power, they are making. Why? Because they have interest. This is the use and great enormous benefit of having interest. Interest is the must which can clear everything whatever you want.